How to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started.
Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have downloaded the MetaQuest application. If you have not downloaded, make sure you download, and if you have, check for updates. And if there are no updates available, you can tap on open and it will directly lead you to the home page of the app. Make sure you're logged in. After you have logged in, tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as we tap on menu, you can see various options over here. Now select on devices, then select on connect new device and select MetaQuest 2. After selecting on that, make sure that you go to the headset settings and you can see different options. So just tap on controllers, then select on pair no controller. Now this will give you the usual options and instructions that you must follow to make sure that it is paired up. So select the left or right controller or a gamepad, and you will also get the option to unpair the old controllers if you have done already. As you can see, according to the instructions, you will have to hold two specific buttons on the specified controller, and after you are done, they will appear when you select the headset. You can see the battery percentage and they will be properly paired up, ready to use.
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.